I love liver, and liver and cabbage is a great way to get two tasty food groups at the same time, in one pan. Let's cook. The hero of the piece is the liver, and I'll prepare to coat it with flour and spice it with garlic powder and paprika and black pepper, and coat it on both sides. This is half a pound of sliced liver. It's a bit too big, so I'll cut it in half so that it fits the pan. And I'll let that sit for a few minutes while I cut up the veggies. Slice up half an onion. Break up the rings. Some oil into the pan. And add the onion. And for color, a quarter of a red bell pepper. Cut that into strips. And pepper into the pan. Stir that up and continue frying. Now, hero number 2 is the cabbage. This is half of a small head of cabbage. I'll cut out the hard core and slice the cabbage into strips about 1/2 inch wide or about 1 centimeter. And cabbage into the pan. I already put spices on the liver, but I want to spice up the cabbage, so a few more shakes of garlic powder and paprika. And let that fry for 2 or 3 minutes until the cabbage is tender. It's getting too dry, so add about 1/2 cup of water. I don't want the cabbage to burn. That tastes awful. Make a hole in the cabbage so the liver will get seared when it's added. A little bit more oil. And fry the liver for about 1 minute on one side. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Flip the liver over. And cover with cabbage. Another minute. The liver will fry about a total of 5 minutes in all. I turn it frequently because I don't want it to burn. People say that turning it makes it tougher, but it's always worked well for me. A little bit of salt. I can always add more when serving. I find that adding salt at the beginning does indeed make the liver tough, so I'll wait until the end. And this way the cabbage gets salted as well. Let's see if it's done. It's wonderful. Serve it out. Enjoy. The flavor of the liver went perfectly with the flavor of the cabbage. I love it. Ingredients: ½ pound of liver, 1/2 cup flour, half an onion, 1/4 red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, a teaspoon black pepper, a small head of cabbage, a 1/2 cup of water, salt to taste.